Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are watching me for the first time, hi, I do post videos on makeup tutorials, fashion, reviews, lifestyle and much more. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So today the video is going to be about a special video, that is the mystery box challenge, which I have collaborated with Elite Looks. She is also a YouTuber. Her name is Naushin Siddiqui. So yeah, and we have set a budget of rupees 1000, and in that 1000 rupees I have gifted her a few gifts, and she didn't know what I have gifted her. And if you would like to watch what I have gifted her, I will give her link in the description box, so that after watching this video, please jump right into her video and see what I have gifted her. And so yeah, let's see what she has for me. So I didn't open them yet. I am going to open in front of you guys. So yeah, let's see what she has got for me. So yeah, let's see. So let's open with the first one. This is how the packaging looks like. I don't want to expect anything. It's soft and smooth, and I can feel the cardboard inside it. So yeah, let's see what's inside it. So yeah, let's open it first. And again inside it, what is this again I had, so I have to, oh this, yeah, oh wow, let's open this. Oh, it's a dream catcher. Wow. I really wanted to buy this from so long, but I couldn't buy it. Wow, feathers. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Naushin, for this beautiful dream catcher. Wow, this is so nice, so beautiful. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's move on to next side. Next we have this next one. So yeah, let's see, open it. My hopes are raised totally. Oh, I think it's the jewelry. This is you Bella ka jewelry. Oh my god. This, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This dainty necklace piece. Oh my god. I'm really, I'm feeling so happy, guys. I'm really so excited. She gave me this beautiful gift. Oh my god. Let's open this. Wow, this is so dainty piece. Beautiful one. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful. Thank you, Naushin. Thank you again. Something else in this. Oh, I have got this 925 pound Lakme CC cream too. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. Okay, bitch. This is my shade. Really my shade. I really use this shade only. Thank you, Naushin. Thank you so much. So this is the next gift. So yeah, I love this too. So yeah, let's move on to the next gift, which what we have. So this is the next one. Let's open this. Believe in yourself. What is it? Let's open it. And beautiful quotation stickers like that, you can stick anywhere. I think this is a magnet. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, these are the magnet. So yeah, these are the magnet ones which I can stick to my fridge or like that. They have beautiful quotations on them. This is believe in yourself. So yeah, this is believe in yourself. Don't forget to be awesome. Oh my god. These are the magnet stickers you can stick to fridge like that. Dream big, work hard. This really helps me get inspired when I wake up in the morning. So yeah, this is how they look like. And the quotations are really good. Be so good they can't ignore it. Oh wow. No fear, no limits, no excuses. And be so good they can't ignore. Wow, this is really thoughtful. So thoughtful gifts these are. Yeah, really, thank you so much, Nausheen. Thank you so much. And 2 more packets left to see what she got for me. So this is the next one. So yeah, let's open this. Oh, this is a friendship band, I think so. Yeah, this is Rakhi. This is Rakhi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nausheen. And something is inside. Oh! I think we feel like sisters now. We are sisters, yeah. We are like sisters, yeah. So this is, I will type. So yeah, thank you for this dairy milk. Thank you, Nausheen. So yeah, let's move on to the last product which we have got as a gift from Nausheen. So yeah, let's see. Oh my god! This, oh, how cute is. I have 2 of them. Look at these, guys. These are beautiful. I really like this artificial small miniature plants. Oh my god. Oh, thank you so much, Nausheen. I just really liked it. Frankly, I love it. Oh my, thank you so much, Nausheen. You made this collaboration possible. If you haven't said yes, this wouldn't be possible, but here it is now. The gifts are so beautiful. I'm so grateful for you, and this is mystery box turned out really excited for me. So yeah, I'm so happy. So that comes to the end for this video, guys. I'm really sad my gifts are over, but however, so yeah, thank you so much for Nausheen for collaborating. And if you are excited what the gifts I have given to Nausheen, I will give the video of her link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And so please do subscribe to her channel. Her channel name is Allied Looks. I will give the link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And if you are excited to know what the gifts I have given her, and I know you are excited to know what the gifts I have given to her, and so please do check the description box. I will give her channel link in the description box. So, and please do subscribe to her channel. She creates a great content on skincare and makeup and reviews and much more. So please do subscribe to her channel and help her grow. And so yeah, she is so sweet from the heart. So yeah, and her channel name is Allied Looks, Nausheen Siddiqui, and she has 2 channels. So please do subscribe to her. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to her channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also let me know what the other videos you would like to see in the comment section down below. And also you can also ask me what the other videos you would like to see in the comment section down below. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.